The trees, like the longings of the earth, stand a-tiptoe to peep at the heaven. You smiled and talked to me of nothing, and I felt that for this I had been waiting long. The fish in the water is silent, the animal on the earth is noisy, the bird in the air is singing. But man has in him the silence of the sea, the noise of the earth and the music of the air. The world rushes on over the strings of the lingering heart, making the music of sadness. He has made his weapons his gods. When his weapons win, he is defeated himself. God finds himself by creating. Shadow, with her veil drawn, follows light in secret meekness, with her silent steps of love. The stars are not afraid to appear like fireflies. I thank thee that I am none of the wheels of power, but I am one with the living creatures that are crushed by it. The mind, sharp but not broad, sticks at every point but does not move. Your idol is shattered in the dust to prove that God's dust is greater than your idol. Man does not reveal himself in his history, he struggles up through it. While the glass lamp rebukes the earthen for calling it cousin, the moon rises, and the glass lamp, with a bland smile, calls her, my dear, dear sister. Like the meeting of the seagulls and the waves, we meet and come near. The seagulls fly off, the waves roll away and we depart. My day is done, and I am like a boat drawn on the beach, listening to the dance music of the tide in the evening. Life is given to us, we earn it by giving it. We come nearest to the great when we are great in humility. The sparrow is sorry for the peacock at the burden of its tail. Never be afraid of the moments. Thus sings the voice of the everlasting. The hurricane seeks the shortest road by the no road, and suddenly ends its search in the nowhere.